What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we're gonna try to get some pulls in with the raw pedal. I told y'all I was gonna do a follow-up video doing some pulls using the raw pedal, kind of going through some of the settings. I'm not gonna go through the normal mode and, you know, eco mode, because we didn't buy this thing to do eco mode. So I'm gonna do a couple pulls in race mode on level 9. I'm not gonna fool with level 5 because we know pretty much how level 5 is. So, but first I'm gonna check and see if it's gonna rain. It look like it's gonna rain, bruh. Do y'all got this in y'all car? I got this travel link. I never use it. Let's can check the weather. So it's saying it's gonna be sunny. Got I don't know why it's showing Annapolis. I ain't in no damn Annapolis. Then you can go to, you can go back. You can hit the weather map and see, it'll take you here, and they can kind of give you like a radar and show you where the rain is, or see if it was raining, show all the storms. It's pretty cool. I never really used it, but I'm using it right now. But anyway, let's get this video started, man. Let's go. All right, guys, I got this joint in sport. I got this joint in race mode, man. Put my seatbelt on. See what this joint do, man. Let me back up a little bit. Get some real estate, bruh. I ain't got a whole bunch of real estate, but I got a little something. Back up a little bit more. I got this joint in race mode. I don't really care too much about the other modes. I just want to see what this race mode do. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Hey, this don't sound vicious, man. No hesitation. Don't pull right on. Hey, bro, this joke crazy, man. In that race mode, I'm trying to tell y'all. This joke is ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Hold on. See if we can get it a donut or something out of it. We gotta find us. Hey, yo, with the race mode. Oh, shit. Hey, bro. The race mode is crazy, man. Jesus Christ, bro. I gotta get out of here, y'all. I can't do too much over here, man, because I'm getting too loud. I know the people gonna come over here and say something, man. We gonna get one more pull in race mode. When y'all get y'all raw pedal and y'all can go through the regular modes. I did the regular modes in the first video, so I'm just gonna do one more pull in sport mode. Alright, bro, that's it. I'm out of here, man. Before I get blocked up or something, man. Get out of here, man. Oh, shoot. But as y'all see, man, that sport mode, I mean, that race mode, crazy, bruh. Crazy. Let me turn this door down now. Oh, my goodness. When y'all get y'all real pedal, man, you're gonna love it, bruh. You are gonna love it. Man, my car sound good. This don't sound so mean right now, bruh. So mean. Listen to that joint. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this, bro. Loving it. I just need to go, like, I gotta give me another spot. Cause you know, I ain't trying to cause a problem, bruh. I'm gonna go this way. Maybe I can get, but there's people out here chilling, you know what I'm saying? Some people be complaining, bro. Nah, I can't do nothing. There's too many cars out here, Bahamas out here. But yeah, man, y'all definitely gotta go get your raw pedal. Hope it ain't too much wind. And use Hemi Muscle as your discount code, man. Get an instant discount. We got too many people out here Sunday driving on a Friday. car like a dog that's been. This raw pedal make your car feel like if a dog been chained in the backyard all winter, then summer coming, you let him loose. That's what my car act like, man. Unleash the animal in this joint. Crazy coming through this jump. But anyway, man, I plan on but yeah, man, like I said, I probably will end up doing like a real in-depth review of this raw pedal, man, but it's real plain and simple. When you get yours, it got a manual. You got, like I said before, it got 5 modes. Race mode's the one that I pretty much ride around in now. It just, you know, I got a lot of DMs, people asking me, will it work on a V6? Absolutely, it will work on a V6. Now, I'm not. You got 30 days to return it if you don't like it, so you're not locked in. That's a 392. Somebody got a nice 392. So you're not locked in, even if, you know, if you get it and you don't like it. You know how it feels, you know what I'm saying? But I think you're gonna like it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this joint, especially if you got a V6, because you know, it'll give you that power that you want, you know what I'm saying? Well, make it feel like you're getting that power, like more horsepower, but you're actually not getting more horsepower. You're just getting the horsepower you do have, you're getting it all at one time, you know what I'm saying? Instead of gradually getting up to it, it's giving it to you right then and there. That's the difference. That's what make it so special. I gotta go over here and get some ice cream. See what I'm saying? It's like this jump just, it just give you that instant just push, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard to describe, but I like it. Got my head all twisted up. But yeah, man, so next mod, man, I'm looking into tuning them. I'm gonna get my car tuned. Hopefully I can get my cousin, man, he gonna help me get this joint, you know, up to, you know, get the horsepower up. This is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, guys. I got a lot more coming. I just, like I said in my live yesterday, man, I've been chilling with my sons lately. I haven't really been recording, man, so that's why. So I'm a little behind on my uploads, but I wanted to, you know, got a little free time today, so I just wanted to do a little, give y'all a little something in the race mode. Hope y'all enjoying the uploads. I got a lot more coming, man. I'm telling y'all, man, this car gonna be crazy. So if this is your first time to join my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.